Covering your health tonight, the CDC is out with new concerning data about sexually transmitted diseases right here in Louisiana. The latest numbers show we lead the nation.
News 15's medical editor Dr. John Lepre breaks down the high rates of STDs and who's most at risk.
The CDC has released the latest numbers on sexually transmitted disease. Unfortunately, Louisiana leads in most categories. But first, what exactly do we mean by an STD? This report centers around syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia. However, there are many other diseases including herpes, HIV, and papillomavirus. Now here's an important distinction. The first three are bacterial and for the most part can be cured with antibiotics. The rest are viral and there is some treatment but no cure. Now here in the US, we're seeing a big rise in the first three, especially syphilis with an over 500% increase. An estimated 1 in 5 have an STD. So who's at risk? This is highest in adolescents 15 to 24, men who have sex with men, drug abusers who are 3 times more likely, and other high-risk sexual behavior. Now let's look at the state rankings. Probably no surprises here. Louisiana is number 9 for syphilis, number 3 for gonorrhea, and number 1 for chlamydia. Mississippi is number 5 for syphilis, number 1 for gonorrhea, and number 2 for chlamydia. However, an interesting note, the best state in all 3 categories is Vermont. So what do they do differently? Experts cite better health education, better healthcare access, as well as lower risky behaviors. The incidence of STDs is up across the entire United States, but particularly Louisiana and Mississippi. And both the CDC and the Louisiana Department of Health want you to talk about, test, and treat STDs. Reporting on your health, Dr. John Lepre, News 15.